A further note about honey. The Gemara asks the question, how is it possible that we eat honey? The Gemara asks that question, in Bechoros Daf Zayin Amud Bet. That since Hayotze min HaTameh is Tameh, some animal, a Tameh animal, whatever it produces, whatever comes out of its body, should also be Tameh. Mipnei ma amru dvash dvorim mutar. Says, how could it be that Chachamim would say that the honey that comes from bees is mutar? So to this question, there are two answers. One is mipnei shemachnisot otan legufan ve'mematzot otan legufan. So I don't know too much about the scientific assessment of how honey is actually produced, but this seems to mean that there's a difference between honey, there's an intake and there's an giving out. So it's not really, can't be seen entirely as being the body, like something that's the product of the body of the bee. But then there's a second position in the Gemara, in the name of Rabbi Yaakov, right? In the name of Rabbi Yaakov, who said Devusha de Rachmana Sharaya, that Devash was permitted in the Torah. How do you know that? The Tanya, there's a Brisa. Rabbi Yaakov Omer Ach et ze tochlu michol sheretz ha'of. This is what you can eat from all the sheretz, from the things that fly around. Ze ata ochel, ve'eze ata ochel, which of them do you eat? Sheretz of tamei. So the Gemara, so the writer says, sheretz of tamei behedye ktiv. There's an overt prohibition of sheretz of tamei. Ela sheretz of tamei iyata ochel. But there's a special limud that the sheretz of tamei you cannot eat. Sheretz of tamei like a bee. Avlata ochel masha of tamei mashritz. But you could eat what's come seeping out of the body of the non-kosher sheretz of. Ve'ezezeh dvash devorim. Ezezeh dvash devorim. So according to Rabbi Yaakov, the heter of Dvash is somehow rooted in a reading of a verse in the Torah, and not just about whether it fits into the rule or doesn't fit into the rule. So even if we would say that by the rule of Hayotze min HaTameh, that rule would exclude Dvash from being mutar, right? You can't eat Dvash because it's Hayotze min HaTameh without a doubt. Nevertheless, according to Rabbi Yaakov, there's a kind of Gzeirat HaKatuv. There's a Torah position that's adopted that honey is excluded. And maybe that's why the language of the Mechaber and the Shulchan Aruch is that language. Dvash Dvorim Mutar. Dvash Dvorim Mutar. He doesn't say how we know it's mutar, but if I had to kind of offer a suggestion, I might say Dvash Dvorim Mutar. You know why? Because there's a Gzeirat HaKatuv, Rabbi Yaakov Omer. We learn it from a pasuk.